You heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to zero. Zero. When it comes out, zero. You heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to zero. Zero. When it comes out, zero. You heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to zero. Zero. When it comes out, zero. You heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to zero. Zero. When it comes out, zero.
Hello guys, welcome again to the live stream. Today, okay, we are still in the same, the technical analysis is a little bit different today. Remember, we are just trading the short-term, very short-term time frames, because on the chart I cannot change the speculation, the technical analysis. Let me just show you the one-day chart. The one-day chart is telling me, well, Bitcoin at least is in sideways and also a bounce, right? This bounce, well, we need to know exactly. For now, it's around maybe $32,000 and extension to 35. Okay, so we have all this week. So the rest of this week, if I don't see this bounce, well, we can start thinking Bitcoin is getting ready for something else, right? But for now, one day chart is like this, and that's it. Okay, it's a bounce. Bounce and respect the trend. The trend is your friend, and the bounce to what? Keep falling. Okay, that is the speculation in one day chart. Thinking in this way, okay, let's talk about the 4-hour chart and 12-hour chart. Okay, in 4-hour chart, yesterday we were in this short setup here. Yeah, here I open a short position around here, around $29,000 to $100 around there, and I close my position around $28,000 800. And also I opened a swing short in 12-hour chart yesterday at this price, $29,200 in other account. Why? Because, well, let me tell you something. Okay, in 12-hour chart, curve is gonna test. It's about to test the zero line here, and the price is still below the MA21 and MA55. So we will see a bounce. Yes, 4-hour chart. I am trading two time frames right now, 12-hour chart and 4-hour chart. Okay, in different accounts. So here in 4-hour chart, as you can see, in 12-hour chart is about to test the zero line here. So that means you will see maybe in 4-hour chart another bounce here, and potentially this is going to be the last bounce for this range, because in the NLSL signal for 12-hour chart, you will see a rejection, a continuation to the downside, and here is when I'm gonna start looking for more longs. Why? Because as long as one day chart is still with this buying setup, I will start looking for longs, no shorts in one day chart. Okay, remember, one thing is short-term time frames, 4-hour chart, maybe maximum 24 hours trade, 12-hour chart, maybe maximum 3 days, and one day chart is around 10 days. So don't mix the time frames. Okay, so because I am in short swing right now here in this area, $29,000 200. I am not planning to close this short. Why? Because I'm speculating maybe in 3 or 4 days we're gonna see something like this, right? Maybe something, no, it's not exact, something like this. And my target is gonna be around maybe $27,000. That is the area I'm gonna start looking for, maybe closing my short swing. Okay, low leverage, of course, very low leverage, because I manage my risk. Okay, in 4-hour chart is other thing. I mean, that trade is today. I mean, if you enter right now, that means you finished yesterday or maybe 8 hours maximum. Okay, so in 4-hour chart I am in a long position. Why? Because we are gonna have potentially a buy signal right now in the next candle, and this signal is from here around the lowest point in this area. Yes, and the maximum target is around the M55, around $30,000 to 100, and potentially this is going to be the last move of 4-hour chart. Keeping in mind here, volatility is very low, very low for a 4-hour chart. So this could be the next 5,000 move for Bitcoin. Okay, so if we see this rejection, for example, I see this bounce right now here. Yeah, maybe today we're gonna see this bounce here, and I will close, doesn't matter what, my long here. And if I see a rejection here and the 12-hour chart is working, actually the short is working, and also I see the volatility still contracting, so potentially this could be a bear trap, and you will see an ABC correction or bounce, sorry, in 1-day chart, something like this. Let me show you here in 1-day chart. Yeah, something like this. ABC, and from here you will see something like this, right? Okay, I am not expecting in 1-day chart Bitcoin is gonna break the range, not yet, at least not this month. Actually, I am not expecting more lows this month. I think market makers, they are waiting for the close in monthly and macro time frames. But don't get me wrong, weekly chart is nasty, 5-day chart is nasty as well. So I am just playing the range. Okay, this ABC is something I am thinking based on my experience, of course, right? Because I am using different tools. Formally speaking, we have here a buy signal potentially forming here for Bitcoin in 1-day chart. So as long as I have this buy signal potentially present here in curve, and also the last thing I want to see is the ADX negative here, well, you can expect maybe Bitcoin we will see a bounce maybe this week. So that is my speculation in short-term time frames, and I want to show you something different here. I got some feedback from some people in my group, and they want to see sometimes my positions and this kind of thing. So I open a new account on BigX. Yeah, I'm gonna start showing my positions with very small amount. And first of all, I am not financial advisor. Don't follow my trades, please. I want to show you here because I am trading at the same time. When I am saying this to you, many times I am trading at the same time. Let me show you here. I open here this BigX account, and I am in long position around $29,300. Very small amount is around 2,000 at 5x. So my target is going to be around $3,000 to 100, and that's it. No more than that. So I will show you the results. If you want to see the results of my positions, I will start posting time by time my positions and sharing my positions here in the live streams. Okay, but as I said before, I am not financial advisor. Okay, don't take the same trades I'm doing right now here. This channel is for education. Okay, this is for education. The idea is you will learn by yourself how to trade, and of course you want to trade, you want to learn my system, of course you can do it. There are different ways how to do it. You can do it in the lowest point, the lowest way, sorry, the free way is watch my live streams every day, and maybe after some time you will start getting you will understand. And also I have training programs. Actually I need to upload some of them. I couldn't finish. And also mentoring and training. Okay, so this is my trade I am doing right now. My friend, please, if I get wrecked tomorrow, because remember, losing is part of trading, I don't want you to come here and start complaining, because that is very bad idea. If you are following a YouTuber or someone is telling you on internet what to do, in general is a bad idea. Okay, so the idea is here is you should learn how to do this by yourself. Okay, now we are here in 1 day chart in the lowest point of Bitcoin right now here. Okay, I'm expecting a bounce. Yes, very short term. Yes, any close below 28,700 in 1 day, in 1 day chart closing here, you will see full leg down all the way down to 27. That is my speculation. Maybe next week, not now. Okay, so thinking about this, well, let's talk about the very short term time frames, because I know some people, they are trading 1 hour chart right now, and also we don't have more price action, right? And the range is very small, between 29 to $30,000, just $2,000 range. Let me be honest, I am not a scalper. I am not trading 1 hour chart. Just I'm showing this technical analysis for all the people who really likes to do this kind of things, but not me. Okay. Okay, so here we are in the lowest point in 1 hour chart. We have buy signal here, as you can see here. We have buy signal. We have some very small bullish divergence here, and ADX is positive. So the same area as for our chart around here, around $30,000, $29,000 is gonna be the area for 1 hour chart. Remember, 1 hour chart is just 4 hours maximum. Just maximum 4 hours. So 4 hours of trade price action. Okay, so that is my speculation in the very short term time frames. Weekly chart is still the same. Let me see. We have a new close. Let me see if today chart we have. Yeah, we have a new close. I think today. Let me see. Yes, we have a new close. Okay, this sideways. I mean, it's a close in the bottom of the range here. Yeah, other test. Yeah, $30,000. Bitcoin is in a very small range between $28,800 to $30,000. Okay, probabilities. Yeah, to the downside, we are in a very clear downtrend in all the time frames right now, including weekly chart. Sadly, but yes. So we are in a bear market. Okay, I mean, formally speaking, we are. Okay, but not because we are in a bear market that means Bitcoin is going to zero. Of course not. Okay, right now, I will say this is the worst moment to start thinking Bitcoin is going to break down, is going to zero, and you are extremely bearish right now. It's a very bad idea. If you are extremely bullish, it's a very bad idea as well. So try to calm down and order your emotions. Well, let me explain here. In today's chart, we have ADX positive here, volatility expanding. Simple. More downside, yes. But the problem here is 2-day chart, so that means you have to wait maybe 2 weeks around for this setup. Okay. Now 3-day chart. Let me show you here. New close we have today. Yes, same and concerning thing here. Very bad actually, I will say. ADX is about 23. Officially in 3-day chart, Bitcoin is trending hard to the downside. Okay, so please be careful with this. Okay, so I'm sorry, Uchi, I'm not going to share my account on BNext, because I know people, they will start trying to copy my trades, and if I get wrecked, they will start complaining. Okay, no, this is just for educational purpose. Okay, just I want to show what I'm doing in the markets, and that's it. Okay, this is not my main account. I am using a very small amount, and that's it. Okay, actually, I think it's not a good idea, but well, some people, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna do this just 1 month, and after that, let's see what happened. Okay, so here, as you can see here, 3-day chart is closing yeah, in the lowest point around $29,000. So this is very easy. If next week you see any close below $29,000, yeah, I mean, more pain to come here. And also, as I said before, ADX is about 23 in 3-day chart. So officially, Bitcoin is trending to the downside very hard in 3-day chart. That is this is something like I don't want to see, right, for Bitcoin, but never mind. Okay, so let's continue. We have we don't have any close here for 5-day chart, so I will be bullish on Bitcoin if in the next 10 days I will say Bitcoin is taking $32,000. If I see the next close in 5-day chart, maybe we will see some hope. Yeah, some hope, but for now Bitcoin is still ADX positive here. The next close, any rejection from $30,000, 31, same as 1 day, same as 12-hour chart, same as 4-hour chart. As you see, the range is very is, how can I say this, in a very short term the range are very clear. any close below $30,000 in the next 3 days, actually, I was let me see, 2 days. Any close below there, so that's why it's very short term. Well, technically speaking, you will see continuation. This is a dragonfly formation here for 5-day chart. And also the good thing here is for first time we have potentially a bullish divergence here forming in 5-day chart forming. But this setup is gonna take months. I mean, maybe in autumn you will see a bullish thing here because OBB is very different. Timing is very different. Okay, so yeah, some people ask me, hey, we have bullish divergence here forming in 5-day chart and weekly chart. Yes, but the problem is the ADX. As long as ADX is positive here, no thank you. This is just your imagination, okay? Imagination, okay? You see whatever you wanna see in the charts. This is not happening right now, not yet, because we don't have any confirmation, okay? So weekly chart, just I want to be clear with you, okay? Any close below $27 in weekly basis, any close below there, Bitcoin to zero. It's just I am playing, right? But yeah, I mean, you got the point, right? Any close below the MA200 in weekly chart, I would say 1-day chart just closing below there, you will see full leg down to around 18, mid 20s. Sorry, around maybe $17,000. But we have to wait, okay? Wait is about timing. Timing is very important for trading, okay? Okay, now let's continue with the very short-term time frames. In 4-hour chart, as you can see, we have new close 20 minutes ago, and also we have the ADX is positive here, yes, but something you need to understand here, we can see accumulation here in 4-hour chart for OBB. Also, we had some bear divergences yesterday from this point and this point, and this point and this point already play out here, this short, as you can see here. Now we have bullish divergence here. Yeah, I know it's messy, right? When we are trading a sideways market, it's like that. So we have bullish divergence from this point and this point and this point and this point. So now the bounce is coming here, and here it's up to you. Okay, in my case, I'm gonna just take my profits and that's it. Okay, I will not wait because I am speculating maybe Bitcoin will test around $27,000 in some point. Okay, again. Okay, so let's continue. Now let's talk about the USD dominance. Why I'm expecting a, a bounce for Bitcoin. Wait, before, let me show you here. Let me show you here the Bitcoin flow. This indicator is, one moment. Okay, now it's better. Okay, I'm talking too much. Okay, see, look at this. The 1-day chart for Bitcoin flow is very good actually for trending moves. Let me show you here. Let me remove this one. Yeah, okay. Every time when you see the sell signal here in Bitcoin flow, that means, well, maybe you will not catch the bottom or the top, but you will catch the trend, right? As you can see, sell signal here around October 2021. Since then, well, Bitcoin crashed from 62 to 36, right, in 3 months. And here, the next sell signal here around April 7, Bitcoin this indicator fired the sell signal here around $44,000, and now we are still in red. Okay, very, very far away for reversing. Okay. Technically speaking, Bitcoin must do a lot of, bulls, they have a lot of work to do if they want to reverse a trend. Okay, that's why follow the trend. The trend is your friend, and the trend is to the downside right now in 1-day chart. In 1-day chart, and actually all the time frames, just monthly is not bearish. Okay. Yeah, no problem. I can show you how I'm reading USD dominance on this. Let me see. USD, yeah, on Bitcoin. Okay. I think there are new people here. Let me tell you something. Okay, I am using Bitcoin and USD as a contraindicator. The reason is very simple. USD dominance, or USD is the stable coin like mostly 90% of the people are using around the world, the biggest stable coin. So that's why we have the Bitcoin USDT dominance. So this indicator is telling me how many people or what people are doing in general in the market. For example, here, let me show you here total two, no, here. So here you can say, okay, people are selling Bitcoin. They are selling Bitcoin, and they are accumulating USDT or USD. Yeah. So this is bullish. So think about it. If you see this chart is bullish, that means Bitcoin is bearish, right? Because people are they are cashing out. Okay. So if you want to, let me show you examples because I know there are new people here. Okay, so let me show you here Bitcoin. Here, I'm gonna just in weekly chart. I think it's gonna be better. I'm gonna do it. No, in Friday chart, I'm gonna do it here, and also I'm gonna split my screen in two. Yeah, and the left side is gonna be Bitcoin, and the right side is gonna be USDT dominance. Okay, here USDT dominance. Let me see. Yes. Same time frame. I'm gonna change for 5-day chart. Yes, perfect. Okay. Now, if you see here Bitcoin and USDT, yeah. When you see Bitcoin, USDT very bullish. For example, here in February 2021, we have buy signal and consolidation in the lows here for USDT. Yes, Bitcoin was in the highs, was at $60,000. You see, we have buy signal here, consolidation here, and this after that massive breakout to the upside and massive breakdown to the downside for Bitcoin. Do you see that? Okay, now USDT testing the previous high here. I have a rule, like I will never buy the previous high, never. Yeah. So here is potential sell pressure, sell signal here, ADX negative here, USDT dominance to the downside. And what happened with Bitcoin? To the upside. You see? And now USDT dominance in the lows, accumulation, buy signal here, and after that, Bitcoin what happened? 69 to 0, right? $35,000. And now, what happened here? We have other buy sell signal for USDT in this area in February 2022, and Bitcoin was around $47,000 in this area. And after that, what happened? Massive bounce to the upside, yes, and Bitcoin is breaking down. You see? As you can see here in macro time frames, you can see there is a very strong correlation between USDT and Bitcoin. Now let's talk about the OBB. If you don't know what is OBB, OBB is telling you the volume, right? The volume. Why I'm looking for volume always? Market makers, they can manipulate the price, they can dump the price, the asset, but they cannot manipulate the volume. It's very expensive. It's going to be very expensive for them if you want to manipulate the volume. So if you want to know what market makers they are doing, or whales, or whatever you want to call it, you need to see the volume, because the volume is something they cannot manipulate too easy. Okay, so in this case, for example, USDT Bitcoin since April 2021. I opened this channel in July. I said to all of them, because I started with just 2 people that were following me in this channel. I said, okay, based on my experience, this is a bull trap, massive bull trap in the highs, and you will see Bitcoin breaking down, no 100k, whatever, no. So when I saw this move to the upside, and as you can see here, the volume is not following, and actually is forming bear divergence all the way up from $30,000 to 69, and also sell signal here in ADX, in curve, you can expect this was a massive bull trap. And especially retailers, like they have no idea what they are doing. They are buying because Elon Musk bought, right? Yeah, because the institutional, right? Yeah, this kind of things. So pay attention what happened with USDT. Yeah, when Bitcoin broke this area, USDT was super bullish. Look at this. The volume accumulation phase, bull market for USDT, bear market for Bitcoin. You see? So this is telling you people, they are cashing out. When Bitcoin was from $30,000 to 69, all the way up, they were cashing out. Yeah, they were cashing out, as you can see here. Now, what happened right now? Bitcoin is in downtrend, yes, breaking the previous low here, as you can see here, And now what happened with the USDT dominance? Well, first of all, the USDT dominance, the volume, never was below zero line. So I can say it's positive. Yes, in downtrend maybe yes, because it's getting rejected by ME55 here, but it's never below zero. So in general, you can say, okay, it's healthy. It's a very healthy chart, right? So we have from this point and this point and this point and this point hidden bullish divergence here. And also in Bitcoin you will have a hidden bear divergence here, the same in all this price action. So from here now you can see what happened. This hidden bear bullish divergence in USD is playing with a ADX positive and the curve is positive here, well, to the moon, yeah. And Bitcoin is breaking down right now. Now, if you ask me, okay, based on this technical analysis with using two indicators or two charts, sorry, what we can say about Bitcoin? Well, Bitcoin is going to zero or Bitcoin to the moon, right? Well, let me show you something. Monthly for Bitcoin, for USD, monthly for Bitcoin. We have sell signal since September 2021, and we have buy signal for USD dominance in February 2000, this year in February. Okay, so tell me what is going to happen for Bitcoin based on this. I know you don't have to be expert, right? You can see it is a very clear uptrend, ADX positive here. This is to the moon, monthly breakout after 2 years of consolidation here in a massive range. It's a monthly breakout. That's why for me it's very hard to believe we are in the bottom of the market right now. Okay, we are close, maybe yes, but not yet. Not yet. I think we will see more pain maybe this year. As long as the monthly in USDT dominance is bullish, I am not bullish in macro time frames for Bitcoin. Okay, in general, I am looking for more pain. And as you can see here, you will say, okay, but Bitcoin next month will test the zero line. Yes, maybe yes, you are right. Yeah. So, but that means the next month, you will see potentially maybe lower prices. And after that, you can start thinking, okay, Bitcoin it's time to buy. Maybe yes. Okay. So I hope you can, with this explanation in macro time frames with USDT dominance and Bitcoin, you can get better idea what is happening with why I'm using this, right, as a tool for trading. Also, I created this indicator, right? It's you are supporter of this Patreon, this channel as a in the Patreon, so you can get access to this indicator. Like this indicator is telling you the direction. If you see downtrend here for Bitcoin, you can say, okay, that means USD dominance is bullish in 1-day chart. Okay, if you see this uptrend here, for example here, that means Bitcoin is bullish and USD dominance is bearish. Okay, so that is explanation how I'm reading in the USD dominance on Bitcoin. And let me show you something. When I'm gonna start calling for the bottom of Bitcoin, it's very simple. Maybe not the last price, not the last dollar. I mean, like the real bottom, but something like this. In weekly chart, we have here in USD dominance. Yeah. In Bitcoin dominance here, we have here bullish. We have this uptrend, but at the same time we have bearish divergence here. 3 strikes in progress. Okay. This point, this one is not. Actually, no, I am wrong with this. No, something like this. This point and this point, and this point and this point. Okay. In some point this year, the next 3 months, you will see this sell signal. This asset is gonna start trending maybe around 9. More pain to come maybe, and after that, you will see when people they start really freaking out, like panicking, like, oh my god, Bitcoin is real scam, metaverse, blah blah blah, is real scam. I will be super bullish again for Bitcoin. Okay, so that is the thing. I hope you can understand better what my expectation for the market. This technical analysis is not new, especially you are not new in this live stream. I think I repeated this like maybe one time per week, something like that. I've been talking about this since November 2021. So this technical analysis is not new. I'm very happy to see after 4 months it's playing, right? It's playing, it's working as expected. It's not like I have a crystal ball. No, it's because I have a system and based on probabilities, my job as a trader is projecting the price in the future, right? But as a human, I know my limitations. I am not, I don't have superpowers and these kind of things. Just I'm using based on probabilities. Based on probabilities and my system, that is how I am projecting the price, right? So I am bullish on USDT dominance. I am not bullish on Bitcoin right now. Okay, short-term time frames, yes, a bounce, but in general, continuation to the downside. Okay, simple. Okay, for USDT dominance in very short term, you said 2 hour chart. Okay, 2 hour chart. Okay, USDT dominance accumulation here. Potential sell signal in progress, maybe yes. So but looks like yeah, I mean maybe around this area is the area of resistance right now here. So we use the dominance, so you can imply, okay, if this asset is gonna have a sell signal in 2 hour chart and also is testing the previous high, no thank you, it's not with me. So you can say, okay, maybe you will see a bounce for Bitcoin. Okay, so I'm pretty sure Bitcoin will have, now is printing a buy signal for Bitcoin actually right now. Let me show you here 2 hour chart here. Yeah, buy signal here, ADX turning negative. We will have to wait maybe 8 hours, volatility expanding here. So you can say at least OBV is still not healthy, not the best at top here, but at least enough for maybe other bounce. So the area is gonna be around here, same as 4 hour chart, $30,000, 400, around there. And if you ask me here, no thank you, it's not with me. Okay, in very short time frame, like this, and that's it. That is a trade. Yeah, only 3-4%, and that's it. Okay, 6%. Well, not bad actually. Remember, in 4 hour chart, always I'm gonna trade in this way. I am trading this way, and always I will do the same thing. This is just a bounce. MA55, test MA55, test MA55, continuation to the downside. Okay, simple. Okay, so let's continue. As I said, I'm talking about very short-term time frames because macro time frames are the same. Yeah, I don't want to repeat the same thing always and always. So that is the thing. Now let's talk about Bitcoin dominance, because actually it's doing something very interesting right now. Actually, let me show you. Weekly chart, auto test to MA55. Any close this weekend, this is very important. Any close below, above 45, around 46 will be better. You will see this asset finally, after 1 year of consolidation, start expanding. Yeah, and you will see in the long term 55, 60, maybe in November, around there this year. Okay, so the problem with this is, well, we have a buy signal actually in monthly. I am bullish on this. Yeah, auto test like this. Okay, this year. The problem with this is, if Bitcoin is breaking key levels like $29,000, $30,000 in weekly basis, buy, game over. Okay, game over for all the altcoins. All your next Bitcoins will go to zero technically. Maybe yes, because in a bear market, bear markets are very destructive, and you will see many altcoins they will disappear, like Luna, for example. Yeah, Luna is a very good signal. Like even strong projects with a strong fundamentals, they can go to zero, right? So just be careful with your trades. Since 2021 November specifically, always I said in this live stream, I am defensive in the markets. Okay, I am defensive in the markets. So I am still defensive, yes, but not because of that I'm going to just short the market. Of course not. Let me just show you the last chart, because I can get some, I see new people here and they are asking me about the macro time frames again. My friend, you are in a very healthy uptrend for Bitcoin right now. Okay, as long as Bitcoin is in uptrend in monthly chart, the only thing we are doing here in this live stream is trying to get the best price or the cheapest price for Bitcoin. Why? Because I am following the trend. The trend is my friend. Simple. Okay, so crash, 80% crash in weekly chart, 80% crash a weekly chart, 80% crash, and potentially other 80% crash. But as long as the Bitcoin is holding the MA55 and is respecting the trend, this is like this. Okay, so I am not financial advisor, but any price below between this area and this area is the golden pocket for me. Okay, because as long as Bitcoin is holding this trend line, this actually very healthy uptrend in monthly chart, this is like this. Okay, so if you bought here at $60,000, at 55, at 40, 45, and you are thinking to sell because you don't want to lose more, well, you have a problem. You have two problems. First of all, you didn't manage risk. Okay, just any buy, you're buying any asset, for example, the stocks or Bitcoin or whatever, without risk management, that is gambling. You are gambling. Okay, but you're a long-term investor, for example, don't ignore this and just hold forever and ever. And after that, let's talk about it maybe in 5 years. Okay. Okay, so that's it. Okay, just I answer you some questions in the Discord because some people they are asking me in my private and they are sending me some message. So that is my speculation for Bitcoin in 1 month. Now, last thing I want to show you here, RSI. Historically speaking, every time when Bitcoin is below the 50 level, in average is below this level around 3 months, 3 or 4 months. Okay, here below 50 level, yeah, 2, 3 or 4 months maximum is gonna be in the lows, and after that you will see the next leg up, potential bull market. Okay, so remember, this is monthly. We are very close. Yes, actually technically yes, the bottom is close. Potentially yes, maybe other 20% drop, and after that maybe that is the bottom for Bitcoin. So if you are thinking to sell here because you hear like, oh, Bitcoin is going to $0 to $3,000 or whatever, no, sorry, but no, I totally disagree. Okay, so that's why it's very bad idea to be extremely bearish right now. Why you were when Bitcoin was at $69,000, why you were thinking, you were very happy, right? It's about emotions. Okay, so here, historically speaking, the facts are here. Bitcoin must be here maybe for 2-3 months here below around 45-50 level in monthly, and historically speaking, that is the best moment to buy Bitcoin for holding in the long term. Okay, in the long term, you buy here, for example, in January and accumulating from January to September 2015 from 240 and 250 around all this area, and after that, well, $20,000 in the next monthly sell signal, right? Okay, so here tested Bitcoin tested in 2019 in March, 50 level here from $2,000 to 100, 400, all the way up to $14,000. You see, other test to this level around 50 level, Bitcoin was at $4,000 and all the way up to 69. Okay, now we have this drop. Maybe we will see other leg down. That is my expectation, of course. But now you got the point, right? We are in the lowest point for Bitcoin right now, at least with RSI and monthly is telling us we need to be ready, not to sell, not for selling, for buying. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, guys, I think I'm done with technical analysis. If you have any for Bitcoin in general, if you have any requests, please let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments for altcoins or stocks or something like that. I think we can talk about it a little bit because I have 20 minutes left. Okay. One moment. Okay, so if you have any requests, please let me know. Okay, in the comments. Okay, the second altcoin I wanna check is not Cardano because I did it yesterday. Is iOS is giving me the hint. Is the only altcoin is doing something like I was not expecting. I am not expecting, and it's very concerning for me. Okay. This asset, as I said yesterday, is breaking the previous low of 2018 and 2019. This is a warning, okay? This is a warning sign, okay? Because any close this weekend, if you see iOS below this area, you will see iOS trending to the downside. And I don't know, I have no idea the target, right? But this is gonna be the resolution of a very, very nasty, very, very, I mean, like Luna, I don't know, something very bad for iOS. Same thing for XRP. XRP is doing something like it's very concerning. I know people they are very bullish on this, but I have to say it. I have to say it because this is very bad. Okay, let me show you here. In weekly chart, the last hope for XRP is 0.29, but based on my experience, you will see this area is not gonna hold. Maybe in the long term we will see a bounce, yes, but any close below 0.25, well, you will see the lows of 2020 March. And that is the thing. All the people who make money in 2020 because the corona whatever, you will see all of them, they will lose everything. All the money they made in 2020, they will lose everything because people, they, for example, Cardano, right? Cardano, people say, oh yeah, to the moon, to the moon, to the moon. People that were buying here to the dip. I remember one guy, he was so proud because he bought Luna at $5. He told me, I'm gonna stake. If we are in a bear market, I don't care because I'm gonna stake in USD, in Anchor protocol, something like that, in my money, right? Because he was super greedy. I wonder what happened to him right now. Very good lesson, right? So here, that is the thing. Talking with my mentor long time ago, he told me this is a business. This is a business. Trading is a business. Trading is the art of stealing money legally in the stock market, of course, right? When you're losing money, you are giving money to someone else. Yeah? So if you're thinking in this way, they give you a lot of money here. The market was so generous in 2020, right? People weigh millions, right? But people, they are very emotional. When Cardano was at $3, oh yeah, I am millionaire, blah, 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 blah. Cardano to the moon, we will never see again this area. Again, never. I cannot imagine myself thinking Cardano will hit 0.40, 0.50 again. Never, right? Because what? Ecosystem, the news, the fundamentals, I don't know, they will just try to enter in this denial phase, like they cannot believe this is gonna happen. My friend, if you are thinking in this way, be ready. Be ready because you are gonna be tested. You are gonna be tested because this is a business, and how market makers they are making business, doing this. It's about a little bit about psychology of trading because sometimes, especially when the market is like this, you have no idea how many messages I get every day, and they are asking me about technical analysis but I can see the same pattern always. People are too greedy, or too bearish, or too greedy. Some of them they are buying the dip, some of them they are selling as much as they can, and others just they don't want to see the charts maybe in 10 years. Yeah, maybe, very good, fair enough. But please, trying to manage your risk and your emotions. You could have the best trading tools, the best trainings, the best thing, but you are not stable. Well, bye. Okay. So here, I said before, this is about business. Okay. So usually when I see in bear markets, all the people who make money here, they will lose everything because they will never sell and they will just keep hoping. As long as I see hope in the markets, I am not bullish. Simple. Yeah. As long as I see Bitcoin buying the people buying the dip, that is something like I don't want. I mean, I am not very bullish. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, let me see. Yes, Uche, you are right. It can go to zero. Now people understand the staking is not like the best and the smartest idea, especially when you are in the highs, right? For example, Axie Infinite, right? I remember Binance, they were offering a very crazy like what? Like you are staking, you will get almost 100, right? When Axie Infinite was at 120. And people, they bought a lot here because, oh yeah, to the moon, right? Yeah, metaverse, NFTs, gaming, blah 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 is the future. I wonder what happened with all the TikTokers right now. They were talking that in that way. I mean, serious question. I don't know. Yeah. So here, all the people who were staking right now. Okay, you are making maybe $500 per month with your stake. Okay, now you lose. Well, 86% of that investment. Very good, right? Good luck. And let me tell you something. This asset is gonna even break more, around maybe between $6 and $4 in the long term. Good luck. Good luck. Okay, so KNC. What is KNC? KNC. Okay, yeah, here. Please specify 4-hour chart. Okay, 4-hour chart. Okay, 4-hour chart. No, thank you. This is not with me. If you are trading just 4-hour chart, I don't know. If you bought here, no thanks. This is the area for selling. If you bought here or here, perfect. You close your trade here, and that's it. I'm done. Okay. This area of supply. I mean, this area is for supply, and you see potentially you will see a sell signal right now in the next close. Well, good luck. This is just a bounce here to keep falling. The OBB volume is healthy, yes, but well, they are my rules. Okay, I am just sharing what I see in the markets. Okay, let me see 1-day chart. Yep, this is the bounce. This is the bounce. I'm waiting for Bitcoin. You see, we have the buy signal here. We have the buy signal here around this area. Yes, and after that you see the bounce here and here to the moon. No, my friend, no. Here, like this, continuation to the downside, respecting the trend. Okay. Okay, so let's continue. Let me see. I have I still have time. Around 5 minutes more. Okay, let me see. Gold. I'm going to talk about gold because gold is doing something very important. I was talking with in the morning about this. Okay, you are thinking gold. You were looking for gold. Well, this is your best area to start buying here. Officially, we have a buy signal here. The only thing is missing is the ADX negative here. So you will see other leg up around 1,870, 900 around there. But don't get me wrong, in monthly chart, this is a very healthy consolidation phase, and this doesn't limit 21. So this is very good actually. I really like this chart. Yeah, this is consolidation in the highs. Okay, as long as this asset is above the MI55 1,600, I am bullish in the long term like this. Okay, so because gold is bullish in the long term, you cannot expect to see something very interesting in the stock market. Usually when you see gold bullish, you will see the stock breaking down. Okay, so let's continue. Yeah, Kodoku. Yes, I mean about Luna. Very sad, right? Very sad. Let me show you. My God, impressive. I started trading here in the crypto space since 2012, 13, around there, and I never seen something like this. It's the first time. Yeah, I mean literally going to zero just in 1 week is the first time. Yeah, when I thought I saw everything in the crypto space, no, always there is something new we can learn, right? But this is a very good message, right? Even strong projects with strong fundamentals, now you can see what is going to happen. Now here, I am not even there to say something about this because there is no technical analysis for this. This is just zero. I don't know. Let me see about gold because I don't know. I didn't see I didn't see. Let me see. Not yet. I mean, I cannot tell you right now here because we still have we have ADX negative here, but the curve is still positive here. And also, let me see. We don't have bear divergence, not yet. It's not, there is no officially we don't have it. But yeah, I mean, this asset maybe could test this area around MA55, and I would say it's a buy. Yeah, it's a buy. This is a buy. Simple. Okay. Of course, the long-term perspective for gold, because gold is the volatility is very low for gold. So That's why you have to be very, very, very patient. Okay, so let's continue with other stocks. For example, yeah, I want to see this one. Well, this chart was very interesting, right? Here, remember what I said about this one in the weekly chart? I know you as Rublo, right? I think my arrow is very powerful to the moon, right? So this asset is gonna keep going up. Look at this powerful weekly chart, ADX negative here, and this asset is testing right now the previous high here from 2020 and 2017. Let me tell you something, my friend. If you see maybe next month breaking this level, testing this area again, 2023, 2024, you will see this asset trending to the upside, breaking down all the bullish, the bearish momentum here for many years. And this country is doing something very interesting. It's very, very interesting here. Very powerful chart. Very powerful. Okay. What was simulation for our chart again? Yeah, the recap. Yeah, we have 5 minutes left, so let's talk about Bitcoin. The recap for Bitcoin in a very, very short time frame for our chart. Okay, for our chart. Okay, here invalidation is very easy. Any close below $28,500 in 4-hour chart closing there, you will see invalidation and continuation to the downside, and you will see 12-hour chart setup playing around $27,000. It's gonna be the area. This area is gonna be the last area for bulls. Any close below here, Bitcoin to zero. So, but I need to be. I show you. I am in long position right now here at $29,300 around this area. So the risk management is very easy, very, very easy. So I am just playing this long position here between this point and this point, maybe 5% of profit, and that's it, no more than that, because I know the trend is to the downside. Actually, if I see this, I am already in short, so I am waiting for this setup to play out. Okay, so I think that's it. That's it for today, my friends. Thank you so much for your support. I can see there are new people in the Patreon. I really thank you. Thank you so much. Maybe next month we are gonna reach 500 subscribers in this channel. And I really appreciate all your support, really, because I started last year here with just maybe 10 subscribers, something like that. Yeah, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And also, I want to start updating. I'm going to start from Monday uploading some shorts in 4-hour chart like before. Okay, sorry, but I didn't have enough time before, so I will try to make time, and I will start posting shorts again in my YouTube channel and also TikTok. If you have TikTok, maybe you can watch my technical analysis there. On TikTok, the format is a little bit different. I am using 5 minutes to explain a little bit more the technical analysis in 4-hour chart, because in YouTube, 30 seconds or 1 minute is not enough. Okay, guys, thank you very much, and please don't follow my entries. Okay, try to do it by yourself, because that is a thing. This is an educational content. I am not financial advisor. Please, if I lost, okay, losing is part of trading. Okay, losing is something is normal, and you must be happy if you lose. So what? Yes, because you lose following a system, you did everything good. Yeah, and you will learn more from your losses than your success. Yeah, that's why, let me tell you something. The last thing about psychology of trading is, if you want to become a very good trader, you must learn in a bear market. Okay, in bear markets like this one, or the worst is this one. Yeah, if you can learn how to make money, or at least not to get wrecked in a bear market, in a bull market, you will make it. Because in a bull market, you don't have any skill. You don't need any skills. Just you buy and hold forever and ever, and you will see the news how people are freaking out, and any news, doesn't matter what, even if it could be very stupid news, you will see a pump because people are too excited. But in a bear market, well, you will need to develop some skills, specific skills and mindset for trading. And if you can make money with this, you will be a very good trader in a bull market. Okay, think about it. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. See you next time.
You heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to zero.